Here I've got Poptel P8 and let me show you how to block a number, how to block a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and select settings. Here you'll notice call blocking, simply click on it, and to block some number, simply click on add a number and then enter it over here. Once it is entered, click on block, and that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any call or message from this contact. Then, if you would like to delete this number from your blacklist, simply click on the cross icon right next to the number and confirm that you would like to unblock it. As you can see, from now on it's unblocked and it will be able to reach you again. So that would be all. This is how you can block some contact and also unblock it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.